Hey all, this is Karthik. Welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today in this video session we will discuss about slash boot file system is full. When slash boot file system is full in Linux, not only in Linux, in Solaris, in AX, in HP Unix, however, when slash boot file system is full or it's almost about full, so as a Unix admin, what is your next action to troubleshoot this part? Well, so how you will get to know first of all when slash boot file system is full? Okay, your all over the servers is managing by monitoring tool. You may take an example Negios, or they have some of the company build own tool, company developed own tool, in which tool all over your servers configuration have been done for monitoring to check all those threshold and so and so. Okay, so like this as well, in which about slash boot file system I am going to talk, or I am going to show the things how it can be done, how this trouble can be shoot. This server also belongs to monitoring tool. So how we will get to know when first of all slash boot is full or is almost about full? Well, so when it's more than threshold, I mean the threshold capability, we can give 85% like that. Okay, so when it's 86%, I mean it's crossed 85%, you will get a warning message so and so, or you will get a mail pop-up. Okay, so and so this server slash boot file system is 86% full or 85, something like that. You will get a message or mail pop-up, right? So take an example. This server is belongs to production server. It's not UAT or not testing DR server. Okay, it's a production server. So before starting any troubleshoot part, not only this type, any troubleshoot part, okay, whether it's small one or bigger problem one, does not matter. Okay, before starting the troubleshooting, first of all you need to think about it. Okay, how you will do, and whether for the same, whether downtime is required or not. If it's downtime required, then you need to go for it to get the downtime, and once you get the downtime, then only you can go for the troubleshoot part. If downtime is not required, then system should run off. Okay, system should off and running, and in between that you have to troubleshoot the part. So when for this case, okay, slash boot is full, for that downtime is not required, because of it's only 5 to 10 minutes of job, not more than that. Okay, not even 5 minutes, also it's 2 minutes of job. Okay, but for if it's new for you, then obviously it will take 10 minutes to do safely, and you are the safe and side, right? So something should not go wrong. If something should go wrong, then system may down. If system may down, then application, whatever application is running on over the same server, then those application will be down. If those application will be down, then business is going to impact. If finally business is going to impact, then hand finger point will come to you. So as a Unix admin, you supposed to take care about safe and side, right? So first you will get a message, pop-up message or mail. Okay, when you get this, then you need to think how you will do this troubleshoot by safe and side. Okay, so this is what I am going to show you in this video session. Because of my one more junior, he request me, brother so and so, my slash boot file system is going to full, it's showing almost 96%, so what can I do? Okay, he's a junior, he was not aware of it. So what I told him, if I'll tell by our phone, then you may not understand. So this is what I am going to make this video. Okay, and it's basically dedicated to him. So it's not only that, like that you guys can, if you don't know, you guys can learn by this way. Okay, and if everything will be fine and you are happy, and you can subscribe my channel, you can give like, and you can share my channel to your friend circle as well. If you are still not understanding something, then you can write in the comment box. When I'm free and when I look that message, I can reply to you. Not only this troubleshoot, not only this issues, for all over the Unix issues, you can reach to me, you can disturb me at any time. Okay, anyway, so this is about how to troubleshoot when slash boot file system is full in Unix. Okay, basically I'm going to show you in the Linux system. So if I'll execute now df-T-H, it will show me whatever file systems I do have, I mean whatever OS file systems I do have. As we know, this boot is belongs to OS only, right? So my boot file system is used only for 14%. It's not 100% or more, not more than 95%, right? So here root /dev/ssm/boot/usr media whatever, and they have total 16 number of file systems, which file system is basically belongs to OS file systems. Okay, so most of the time /boot or /swap it's going to full. When /boot and /swap is going to full, how will troubleshoot the part? Okay, so when /swap is going to full, and regarding the same, already I shared my video session in last session. You guys can go ahead for the same and you will get to know how to troubleshoot the part when /swap is full. Okay, now in this session we will discuss about how to troubleshoot, how we'll make free /boot when it's going to fall, right? So mine now, this current situation, my /boot is showing it's used only for 14%. Okay, so it means I'm okay, my system is running very well. Okay, but in real environment, when a server /boot file system is going to reach 100%, you will get pop-up message or mail again to again. So for that you have to troubleshoot the part. First of all, you need to check, okay, by executing rpm-q kernel. By executing this command, you will get to know how many kernels it's updated. I have only one kernel. I did not update my server, or I did not do any kernel patching. Okay, so that my kernel will be the current one. Okay, so if you will upgrade, if suppose take an example, your server is upgraded 3 times or 4 times, something like that, then it will show how many kernels you do have here. By if you will execute rpm-q and kernel, it will show how many kernels updated and which one is the recent one, it will show. Or else you can check here also cat, or you can enter cd /boot. Okay, hit enter key, execute ls-ltr. Here one more file is there called grub. If you go cd grub, hit enter key, ls-ltr, whatever is there, you will come to know here grub.com. okay, so then come here cat grub.com, hit enter key, you will come to know how many kernel you do have. I have only one kernel, so that is showing here kernel. Okay, so that is showing here I have only one kernel. If you do have 3 or 4 kernels, it was listing you down by down one, right? So directly you can check by this way as well. If you keep cat, then boot, then grub, then grub.com, you will execute here as well, you will come to know how many kernel you do have. I have only one kernel, so that is showing only one kernel is available right away. Okay, it will do yum update and all. Okay, and the kernel version it will update, and it will store new versions of kernel, right? So now as of now I do have only one kernel. So if you upgraded your kernel, then it will show according to that. If you upgrade 3 times, then it will show 3 kernel. If you upgrade 4 times, it will show 4 kernel. Okay, as per the status it will show, right? So now I want to check whatever files are belongs to /boot. Just go to boot, ls-l and boot. It will show whatever files are belongs to /boot. This many files are belongs to /boot. Okay, just check it. Now what I will do here, I will go to check what is my system details. Okay, I am using Linux system, so and so 2.6 is my kernel version and Linux 6. Okay, this is what all about the and if I want to check only version, then you need to execute uname-r in the Linux. You are saying 2.6 is my kernel version, right? So now what I will do, make sure whenever you are going to edit any configuration file, before that you have to take the backup for that configuration file. If in future something goes wrong, you can take back from that backup. You can take that information from the backup file, or that data from the backup file, right? So now what I will do, I will take backup because before that let me show you cat slash etc slash yum.conf. In this, what you will do, in this one parameter is there called install only limit equal to 3. Okay, this is the parameter, always would be there. So in that only we are going to change some parameter, right? So if in this configuration I am going to change some parameter, so whenever we are going to change anything, as I mentioned earlier in the configuration file, before that we have to take backup, right? So as we are going to change something in the yum configuration file, before configure we have to take backup for the same, right? So let me take backup in the same path, yum.conf, and here I'll put the configuration file in the same path as well, right? So that you will not be confused. Then you can give backup. So now it's backed up, right? If will open that cat, or if you check by cat slash etc yum.conf and backup, the same data will be available, right? Let me clear it. So now what I am going to do here, I am going to take backup as well that boot configuration file, so that we are the second side, right? So let me take backup of that boot and that graph.conf. Okay, and here I'll put in the same only boot graph and graph.conf. I'll give this is the backup file for the graph configuration file. Okay, so when I'll edit something in this file, okay, and after that if something goes wrong, even though if it will not work, then I can take the data from backup file. Okay, so now we took already the slash etc slash yum.conf backup as well slash boot configuration graph configuration file backup, right? So now what we will do, we will go and change in the configuration file of yum. So I will change vi slash etc and yum.conf. Here hit enter key. Okay, what it will do, escape I and come here. Instead of 3 I'll give 2. Instead of 3 I'll give 2. What is the use of 2 here? Is nothing but when we are executing rpm hyphen q and kernel, it's showing me only one kernel is available, right? If your system is upgraded several times, so according to that it will show kernel, list of kernel. Okay, if it's 3 kernel it will show 3 kernel, if it's 4 kernel it will show 4 kernel. Okay, so our main intention is when slash boot is full, you need to remove old kernel from your boot file system. You need to remove old kernel from your boot file system, so that only your boot file system will be free, right? So now I do have only one kernel. So whatever it, suppose it's 4 kernel it's showing, you need to enter here vi slash etc slash yum.conf. In the conf, okay, what parameter I changed? So the limit only underscore limit, install only underscore limit equal to 2. You need to give equal to 2. So what is the meaning of equal to 2? Is nothing but it will take, I mean which system is running on over the which kernel, it will take that kernel as well. It will take just before of the kernel which one will be on the list, it will take that, and before that whatever kernel would be there, whatever kernel versions would be there, and those kernel versions are belongs to boot, it will remove from the boot, because of for those we are not requiring, right? So it will remove those kernel versions from the boot. Okay, so this is what the meaning of install only underscore limit equal to 2 is nothing but it will catch it will catch on over which kernel version your system is running, and before that which kernel version was there. It will take only 2 kernel version, remaining whatever kernel versions will be available, it will remove from the boot. Now this is done. Once it's done, make sure you have to check whether yum utils has been installed or not. What is the use of yum utils? I'll let you know. First let me check whether yum utils has been installed or not. Let me execute to get to know whether it's installed or not. This is the command yum utils. Okay, rpm-qa to analyze yum utils has been installed or not. Now what is saying? yum utils so and so it has been installed. Okay, so now what I will do, let me install one second. Let me install, because of I'm not sure if this utility belongs to what, because it was saying no arc something like that. Okay, so let me install one second. Yum install yum utils, then give start. So it will install yum utils, whatever would be there. So what is showing, cannot retrieve repository metadata so and so install media, please verify. Okay, so it's, this is the meaning of it showing. Okay, so let me install yum utils. Okay, it's showing, suppose somewhere I do have some, you know, in the yum configuration file somewhere I do have some issues, might be that is the case, is not taking. But this, if you'll check, so now if you'll execute -qa and that kernel, it's showing me there have only one and the kernel version available. And if you execute rpm-qa and that yum utils, it's showing it's already been installed, right? So no need to worry about it, because this is not our part of to discuss about yum configuration file. This is the part of about this /boot file system when it's full, how to troubleshoot this part. Okay, even if somebody still worry about this yum configuration when I'm going to install yum util, it's saying some of the error. Okay, that error is nothing but it's showing yum configuration is not done properly. That is what only this error is occurring, right? So if you want to clarify about this, or if you want to get to know detail about it, before I think 10 to 15 days back I said about yum configuration details. Okay, how to do yum configure, all those things. Okay, you can go for that, and so for that you will get to know so how to troubleshoot this messages whenever you are going to install anything. This message is the command message. Okay, I think we need to run that vs ftpt service, nothing else, whatever. Now, so this yum utils package already has been installed. Now what is the next is nothing but we need to execute this command called package package, then cleanup cleanup -old kernels count equal to 2. So what is the use of this command is nothing but fast package cleanup. Package cleanup is nothing but it will clean up your packages, whatever packages related to the kernel old versions. Okay, old kernels, this is one. And -count to equal to nothing but it will check on over which kernel version your system is off and running. It will take that kernel, as well it will take just before of that which kernel version will be available. Apart from this kernel version, it will remove all over the kernel versions, whatever kernel versions it belongs to /boot. Then only your /boot became free and it will run properly. So now just hit enter key. Okay, now it will show something like that. Okay, lines resolved depth, something like that it will show. And now your yum error, something like that I am getting. Okay, repository. So no need to worry about it. Once you execute this, okay, why I am getting this error, because of some yum configuration issue would be there. So if you execute this command, then it will be removing. Okay, now here you just need to execute the rpm-q then kernel. If you execute this command, okay, so suppose it was showing 4, now it will take my current one as well as just before of that. Okay, nothing else. And now you just need to execute df-th, it will show you /boot is 14%. It will not come 14%. If it will be like 95%, something like that, it will come to 64 or 65, something like that, it will show you. Okay, so this is what all about the troubleshoot way, how to fix this issue where /boot file system is full. Okay, hope you all are understanding my steps. If still you are getting any of the confused, not only regarding these issues, on about the any Unix issues, you can give in the comment section. So for that I can give you a result when I look that message. Okay, so thanks all about to following me.